What's up, guys? It is raining here in Brentwood, here with Robbie, and we're gonna show you guys how to deep clean your local skate park. Let's get right into it.
And to make things interesting, we're gonna try to keep it under 50 bucks. Everything you're gonna need, in case you have graffiti in your local skate park, 8 bucks. Steel wire brush, another 10. Bucket, probably like 10 bucks. I actually took it from work because they let me have it. Dawn and Pine Sol, bigger packs only, 2 bucks, 5 bucks respectively. And then rubbing alcohol, another 5. Last thing you're gonna need, push broom, 20 bucks. We're gonna try to ball on a budget and keep it under 50 bucks. I like to go 1 to 1 to 1. So 1 part Dawn, 1 part Pine Sol, and then 1 part rainwater, or if you have a water source nearby, use that. Pretty decent throttle on this thing too. I am not drinking out of this water. I like to take an obstacle such as this, where it has lots of transition, take my bucket, pour it on top, and you get what I'm gonna call mileage. I pour right here. It can go this way, into here, and out this way, and try to clean multiple sections at the same time. Let's get started, shall we? Something important to note is the importance of knowing where your drains are. Depending on your style of drain, if you take a close look down here, if it's raining, give it about like 2 inches rain, or you're in the middle of the United States, your drains will probably clog. So I always take a look beforehand, see if I need a screwdriver. These take Phillips heads, so worst case, I can always pop them off with a screwdriver, push the water in, and just remember to put it back. Always remember to put your caps back on, kids. The power of soap and rain. You can pretty much get one section and kind of work your way around. And it keeps going, just like the Energizer Bunny. Although that reference might be too old for some of you. Wire brush, graffiti remover. As some of you may know, I am not the biggest fan of graffiti in skate parks. 1, most paint is oil-based and is a pain in the ass to skate around. 2, half these kids can't tag worth a damn, and it just looks terrible. Step 1, obviously, make sure your graffiti remover's on. Step 2, spray. Now you gotta be real careful with this stuff because it is oil-based. So if you're trying to scrub it down from the bottom, you may fall, and it's not pretty. I did the other side yesterday, didn't come out super pretty. Worst case, call your local Parks and Recreation department, see if they can pressure wash it. Comes out better.
So after a little scrubbing, and look right here, all the graffiti is gone.
Actually, I'm not gonna lie, the city pressure washed that, and you can still tell it's there.
So how often do you clean the local park?
Almost every day. There's always something that you could clean in your local park. Normally, I'm used to clean graffiti, trash, random beer cans, broken glass. I could write a 1.5-page essay of why clean parks skate better. You can read all of that information on the Skate Park Respect page, www.skateparkrespect.org. For coping and ledges, take a rubbing alcohol, pour it right on top, get a good amount going, and you'll notice there's a good amount of rust on there. Rubbing alcohol is great for removing rust, which is why you can use it to clean skateboard bearings. So, take a rag and wipe. Yeesh, that is just downright disgusting.
And now we have a nice clean skate park. This only took about an hour or two, so if you're looking to clean up your local park, come through, try it out. You honestly don't have to go to the full extent that we did. You can just do a little wipe down, you can pick up some trash, really anything just to make the park look better than it was when you showed up. I want to do a give back for you guys for helping out your local park, so I'm gonna give away some money, make a video of you picking up some trash at your local park, doing a full cleanup like we did, really anything to make it look better, and hashtag #IntelParkCleanup, tag me in it so that way we can find it. I'm gonna be picking a few winners, sending you some cash prizes. Hope you guys enjoyed the impromptu video. If this video gets 1 like, I'll dump this bucket of water on my head. Woo! Was it worth it? Probably not. Do I regret it? it's whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for weekly skate park videos, and I'll see you guys next week with some more intel. Peace.